Hello children. So let us start with today's topic, and today our topic is chemical properties of bases. Chemical properties of bases. First chemical property, that is reaction with carbon dioxide. Reaction with carbon dioxide. Here we'll take the strong alkali plus carbon dioxide, that will give metallic carbonate plus water. So strong alkali, two strong alkalis I gave you in my previous lecture, that is sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. When they react with carbon dioxide, they give metallic carbonate, that is sodium carbonate plus water. Potassium carbonate plus water. So when strong alkalis, they react with carbon dioxide, they give metallic carbonates plus water. Next property, that is the same as acids. Second one, that is neutralization. What is neutralization? That is when acid react with the base to form salt and water. Neutralization, acid plus base to form salt plus water only. So acid HCl, base CaOH twice, gives salt, that is CaCl2 plus water. H2SO4 plus MgO, it is a base, gives MgSO4 plus water. This is neutralization when acid react with the base to form salt and water only. Third chemical property of bases, that is reaction with soluble salts of heavy metals. Reaction with soluble salts of heavy metals. So, soluble salts of heavy metals like soluble salt of heavy metal plus alkali. What is alkali? Water soluble base is called alkali. That gives basic hydroxide plus another salt. Salt of heavy metal, that is copper sulfate, plus alkali, that is NaOH, gives CuOH twice, basic hydroxide, plus salt, that is Na2SO4. And this copper hydroxide, this is a insoluble solid. Precipitates are formed, and the color of the precipitate pale blue PPT. Pale blue PPT. Next, we can take zinc hydroxide, zinc sulfate plus NaOH, that gives zinc hydroxide plus Na2SO4, and zinc hydroxide, that is basic hydroxide, that is a base formed, and color of the PPT, that is gelatinous white PPT. Gelatinous white PPT means jelly type white PPT. Next is ferrous sulfate plus alkali, that is NaOH, gives FeOH twice plus Na2SO4. And this FeOH twice is a PPT, that is dirty green PPT. What is PPT? That is insoluble solid formed when two solutions are mixed together. Next one, FeCl3 plus NaOH, that gives FeOH thrice plus Na2SO4. And this FeOH thrice, this is reddish brown PPT. So when salts of heavy metals, soluble salts of heavy metals, they react with the alkali, they give basic hydroxide plus another salt. As we know that zinc, lead and aluminium, they are amphoteric metals. Zinc, lead, aluminium, they are amphoteric metals. What are amphoteric metals? Which react with the acid as well as base. They react with both acid as well as base. So these three amphoteric metals, when their hydroxides are dissolved in excess of alkali, the PPT get dissolved into it. That gives Na2ZnO2 plus water. And this Na2ZnO2, this is called sodium zincate. So gelatinous white PPT get dissolved into excess of alkali. Next property, that is reaction with, fourth property, reaction with ammonium salts. reaction with ammonium salts. Ammonium salt plus alkali, that gives salt plus water plus ammonia gas. Salt, water and ammonium gas. And here we'll take the ammonium salt, that is ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride plus alkali, that is NaOH. That gives the salt NaCl plus water plus ammonia gas. Next can be ammonium sulfate plus alkali, that is NaOH, gives Na2SO4 plus water plus ammonia gas. Next can be with another alkali, that is ammonium chloride plus CaOH twice. This is slate lime and that will give CaCl2 plus water plus ammonia gas. So when ammonium salts, they react with the alkalis, they give salt, water and ammonia gas. And here one thing is important, that we cannot use ammonium nitrate for making ammonia. Ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate, this is not used with the alkali to form ammonia. Why this is not used? Because it decomposes on heating. Because it decomposes on heating. How it decomposes? Because ammonium nitrate, when this is heated, this gives N2O plus water vapors. N2O plus water vapors. And this N2, this is called nitrous oxide or laughing gas. And this is water vapors. This is also a gas. This is also a gas. So this reaction is important. Name a compound which leaves no residue behind on heating. That is ammonium nitrate, because this nitrous oxide, this is also a gas, and water vapors, that is also a gas. So it leaves no residue behind on heating. Which compound leaves no residue behind on heating? That is ammonium nitrate. Thank you.